To transfer crypto from Revolut to Phantom Wallet, start by opening your Revolut app and navigating to the crypto section. Here you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Select the one you want to transfer. Click on the Send button and you will be prompted to enter the recipient address. This is where you will enter your Phantom Wallet address. To get your Phantom Wallet address, open your Phantom Wallet and click on the Receive button. This will display your wallet address. Copy it. Go back to your Revolut app and paste the address into the recipient field. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Enter the amount you want to transfer and click on the Send button. You will be asked to confirm the transaction. Review the details and confirm. The transfer process may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the blockchain network congestion. Once the transfer is complete, you can verify it on your Phantom Wallet by refreshing your balance. It is essential to note that transfer fees and minimum transfer amounts may apply. So make sure to check the fees before initiating the transfer. Additionally, always double-check the recipient address to avoid losing your cryptocurrency. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your cryptocurrency from Revolut to Phantom Wallet. It is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail to ensure a successful transfer.